They're looking all over for your hiccups. Poor Max. Mommy's got a squeaky toy stuck inside of her.
You should be down here and see this picture, honey. You can come.
Oh, I'm sure.
You can come down here.
That's okay. It's very funny up here as it is.
You should see the look on their faces now.
I'm sure.
Yes, Neener. Are you even trying to get it out of me?
You are scaring the dogs with your hiccups. Good job. Especially Max. He's not too sure about it. What?
Is it the camera, Max?
Letting a bird between the hiccups and the... Don't kill yourself.
Oh, the look on these guys' faces is priceless, sweetheart.
Well, I know.
You should be down here.
I know.
Why don't you come down and join me?